We've just finished our starting right to left square, and we are here at the very top of our square, and somehow we've got to make a square right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up stitches all the way down here. We're also going to pick up to the middle and here, and then we're going to work a square this way and ignore the stitches that we picked up on this side. Let me show you how that looks. So this is what that setup looks like for the middle right to left square. So we're working on this square right here. I know it looks so funny on the needles, right? But this is the picked up stitches for this last square. You actually started out way up here and you picked up all of these. You picked up 20 on this edge right here, and then you're going to place a marker and pick up 19 right there. So it's hard to see right now, but maybe if I kind of smush my needles like this, you can kind of see how that square is going to take shape with a point up here. All right, so now I have flipped it over. I'm working back. I knit all the way to my marker, slipped my marker, purled my next stitch, just like we've been doing, and then I knit 19 and got to this point right here. So these stitches now are just going to get abandoned. This is our new end. So as you knit a few rows, it'll become more apparent as this gap gets bigger. And these stitches are just going to completely get ignored over here on this needle. You could push them down later if you want to. And we're just going to be working now with these right here, which are going to form this square. And all of the stitches picked up along this edge are just going to get abandoned for now. All right, so there is the end of our middle square. Remember when we started, we had all of these stitches picked up, all these ones over here. We started off right here at this square, picked up these, picked up those, all the way across here, made our miter, and ignored these last ones on the edge, okay? So that's what you're gonna end up, it's gonna look like, and yes, you're gonna have these. We will deal with these as we come back to them later.